Maybe in waiting room, ma'am.
No, in waiting room, nobody was there. Anyway, good morning once again. Today we are going to start with algebraic identities. Identities means identities are equations which contains variables and constants. We already go through algebraic expressions which contains coefficients and variables, and addition, subtraction, multiplication of these algebraic expression we have studied. Okay, now algebraic identities. An identity is an equation. It is an equation which holds for any values of the variable. Whatever values we can give to the variables, the equation will be correct. It holds. So equation holds for any values of variable. Such equations are known as identities. Okay, we have four standard identities that we have to study. Okay, I will show you what are the standard identities. One second. Okay, so algebraic heading is algebraic identities. All of you write the heading algebraic identities. Algebraic identities. New topic, same chapter, new topic. Algebraic identities. Write the heading, all of you. Then write the definition identity. An algebraic identity is an equality. It is an equality. An algebraic identity is an equality that holds for any values of its variable. Holds for any values of its variable. An algebraic identity is an equality that holds for any values of its variable. We can give any values for the variable. Joseph, read that sentence, identity. Joseph, read it.
An algebraic identity is an
Equality.
equality that holds for any values of its variable.
Rudra, read. Read, Rudra. Rudra.
An algebraic identity.
Yeah.
An algebraic identity is an equality that holds for any values of its variable.
Alsan, read. Alsan.
An algebraic identity is an equality that holds for any values of its variable.
Agna, read.
An algebraic identity is an equality that holds for any values of its variable.
Okay, good. Okay, now we have standard identity. Next heading, standard identity. Standard identity. In that, first one is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b the whole square equal to very important identity. Very important identity it is. A plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Put that in a box. Highlight it. Anandita, what is a plus b the whole square? Read. A plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Read.
A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square.
Jeff.
A plus B square whole square.
Wait. A plus B the whole square.
A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square.
Nikhila, read. Unmute. I can't hear.
A plus B the whole square equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square.
Salin, read.
Yes, ma'am. A plus B plus B square is equal to
Read.
N plus
Did
B
you
whole
write?
square.
Did you write that?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you can look and read.
A plus B
The whole square.
is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square.
Saiba,
A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square.
Anugrah. Read.
A plus B the whole square equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square.
Okay, Vinayak.
A plus B whole square equal A square plus 2AB plus B square.
And Rin. Read. And Rin, why did you off your video? Read, and Rin. Switch on your video, all of you. And Rin. Can you hear me, Andrin? Ansel, read. Ansel. Rudra, read.
A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square.
Okay. Write 15 times today itself. Okay. Very important it is. So write 15 times. By heart it. A plus B the whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. See, now I will show you how it comes. Geometrical interpretation of A plus B the whole square. No need to write. I will just show. Just understand how this A plus B whole square comes. Okay. All of you listen to the board. This no need to write. It will be an activity. So now we are not doing the activity. If you want to do such an activity, that time we will do. Now you just listen. When I will give you as an activity, that time you can understand what you have to do. Okay. So you just listen to the board. So geometrical interpretation of A plus B the whole square. See, on the board you can see a square, and a square is divided into 4 parts. First part is this red one, it is a square. The whole square, this is a square. And this total square is dividing into 4 parts. First part is a pink color one, and that also a square. This pink color one also a square, and its lengths are A. Sides are of length A. And second shape is a rectangle whose length is A, breadth is B. Third also a rectangle whose length is A, breadth is B. And fourth one is a small square. This yellow color one is a, can you see it properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yellow color is a small square whose sides are B, of length B. Sides are B. So we have 4 shapes. First one is a square. Now we are going to find the area of these different shapes. First one is a square. So what is its area? Area of this first figure?
A square.
A square. So this will be A square. Side into side, A square. And what will be the area of this second figure, rectangle, whose length is A, breadth is B? So what is area?
A into B.
A into B. So this is AB. And what about the third one?
B into B.
B into
B into
B into A. B into A, which is A. AB. This is A square. This is AB. This is B into A, or it is AB. BA or AB. And what about the fourth one? What is its area?
B square.
B square. Very good. Its area is B square. And for getting the total area, what we will do? We will add area of pink color, area of violet color, area of this blue color, and area of yellow color. When we add these four areas, we will get area of the whole figure, isn't it? Okay. When we add these four areas, we will get the total area. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
And okay, this square, this is a square. And what is the length of side of this square? What is the length? This much it is A. From here it is B. So what is total length? Total length is?
AB into AB into AB
not
plus
AB.
AB.
A plus B.
4
A
into A.
plus B. So this side is A plus B. This side also A plus B. This side also total length A plus B. Here also A plus B, because from here to this side A plus B. So total length A plus B. Understood that? Total length of this square is A plus B. So what is its area? A square with side A plus B. What is its area? A square with side A plus B. Side A, you said A square. Side B, you said B square. If the side is A plus B, what is its area?
A square, B square.
No. Think. If side is A, it is A square. If side is B, it is B square. If side is A plus B.
AB square.
No. If side is A plus B.
4 plus B raised
Yes, Nikila, louder.
4 plus B.
Huh?
A raised to 4 plus B raised to 4.
No.
A plus B whole square.
Yes, A plus B whole square. If side is A, area is A into A. That is A square. If side is B, area is B into B. B square. If side is A plus B, what is area? Area is A plus B into A plus B. A plus B into A plus B, which is A plus B the whole square. A plus B into A plus B, which is A plus B whole square. So area of the total figure is A plus B the whole square. See? Area of the first figure is A into A square. Okay. Area of the second figure, AB. Area of the third one also AB. Area of the fourth one also B into B square. And area of the square with side A plus B. With side A plus B is equal to A plus B into A plus B. A plus B into A plus B, it is A plus B the whole square. So A plus B into A plus B, that is total area is sum of area 1, area 2, area 3, area 4. We are adding those small parts. We will get the total area. Total area is A plus B into A plus B. So A plus B the whole square. Area 1 is A square. Area 2 AB. Area 3 also AB. Area 4 B square. AB and AB, we will get 2AB. So A plus B the whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is the geometrical interpretation of A plus B the whole square. Understood all of you what is A plus B the whole square?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't forget, wherever you are going, whenever you are studying maths, it has many applications. In maths, in physics, everywhere it has applications. So don't forget in your lifetime, don't forget these standard identities. We have 4 standard identities. First one is A plus B the whole square. A plus B the whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, let us start doing our problems.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
New chapter.
No, no. Same chapter, but new topic. Okay. So you got a plus b whole square equal to what? A plus b whole square equal to
A square plus
A
2ab
square
plus b
plus
square.
plus 2ab plus b
2ab
square.
plus b square. Now what will be x plus y whole square?
X square
X
uh,
square plus
x
2xy
square
uh,
2xy
y
plus
square.
y square.
Andrin, what is a plus b the whole square? Read. Andrin,
A plus square
a plus
2ab
b the whole square. Say in that way. A plus b the whole square.
plus b the whole square
Uh,
2ab plus b square.
no. A plus b the whole square. Listen carefully. A plus b the whole square equal to. Read.
A plus b
Uh,
is equal to
a plus b the
a,
whole square.
a plus b whole square is equal to
Hmm. A square.
a square
Uh,
uh,
plus.
plus b
Uh,
square.
no. Can you see the board?
Yes.
Did you write?
No, no, ma'am.
Why? Why you didn't write? Write. Here it is. Write it. Write in your book. A plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Write. Write this equation 20 times and send to my WhatsApp. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Before 10:30 it should come to my WhatsApp today itself. Before 10:30. When is your next period?
11:30.
7:30.
Okay. So before 10:30 it should come to my WhatsApp. Okay, Andren?
Yes, ma'am.
Write. Did you write?
Yes.
And then read once again.
A plus b square
A
equal
plus
to
b the whole square. The whole
equal to
square.
a square plus
Wait. A plus b the whole square. Say once.
a plus b the whole square
Very good. Equal
a
to
equal to a square
hmm,
plus 2ab
hmm, hmm.
b square plus b
plus once
plus b
once again.
ab
A plus
the
b the whole square.
whole square
Hmm.
a square plus
Equal to
2ab.
who will say all these things? In between things who will? You have to read. Read. When you are reading a sentence, is, was, are, were, that also we have to read. All conjunctions, prepositions also we have to read. No. The same way you have to read whatever comes in between. It is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expressions are like our sentences in our Malayalam or English or Hindi languages. Isn't it? Conjunctions are there, prepositions are there. Such way here equations plus minus everything we have to read. Okay, read Andrin, read.
A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square.
Very good, very good. So today before 10:30 you should write 20 times and send to my WhatsApp number. Okay, Andrin?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So did you write x plus y? X plus y. Children, write x plus y whole square equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. So what is p plus q? Right? Right, all of you? P plus q whole square, L plus m the whole square, C plus D the whole square.
Finish.
Okay, wait.
Ma'am, finish.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, good. Read one by one.
I'm finished.
Ah, very good, very good. Read. Alan,
Page.
first one. Alan, first one.
P
Alan.
square
Ah,
P square plus
ah.
2PQ plus Q
Ah.
square.
Yes, Joseph, next. Joseph. Read next, Joseph.
L square
Ah,
plus
ah.
LM
Is it LM?
two
Ah,
2LM
2LM, very good.
plus
Ah,
M.
M, is it M? M only?
M
M
Eh?
square.
square.
M square, yes, M square. Christo, next one.
C square plus
Mm.
CD.
Only CD. Still you are making mistakes?
No, 2CD
2CD.
plus
CD
D
plus
square.
D square. Okay, so I will give some more. E plus F. Don't make mistake. I'm giving many questions. After this, we have to move to numbers also instead of A and B. Right? Uh,
Topic's name.
Identities, standard identities. Standard identities. In your textbook, it is page 148. Page 148.
Ma'am, finish.
I'm finished.
Okay, okay.
I'm finished.
Alia, read. Alia. Alia.
Ma'am, is it L? E plus L.
F.
Okay, ma'am. E square plus
Uh,
2EF plus F square.
Okay, Akhila. Next. Akhila.
Ma'am, G
Please.
square
G square.
plus 2JH
J.
G H
GH
plus H square.
plus H square. Now we have, instead of A and B, we are giving some, I'm giving some numbers also. X plus 1 the whole square. X plus 1 the whole square. Y plus 2 the whole square. P plus 1 the whole square. Try. X plus 1 the whole square, what will come? First term X. So X square plus
X square plus
2AB. So 2 into X into 1. 2EF, 2GH, 2CD. That is 2 into these two terms. So 2 into X and 1. 2 into X into 1 plus 1 square.
1 square.
So X square plus 2X plus 1. Salin, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
And Y plus 2 the whole square will be?
Y square plus 2 into y 2 plus 2 square.
2 into
Y2
y into 2, not y2, y into 2 plus 2 square.
2
So
square.
it is y square plus 2 into 2 what?
4.
4y. 2 square is
4.
4. Not y2, it is y into 2. AB means A into B. No, 2AB means A into B. So 2 into y into 2. So 2 square plus 2 square. 2 square is 4. Similarly, what is p plus 1 whole square? P plus 1.
P square plus
Mm.
2
Plus
into
uh,
P into 1
2 into p into 1. 2
1
into
square.
p into 1 plus 1 square. 2
1
into
square.
p into 1 is 2p. So p square plus 2p plus 1. And 10th one. 10th one.
X square
Uh,
X square plus
uh,
2
2x,
into x
2
2
into
x
x into
x
3
into 3
into
good.
3
Plus
plus 3
3
square
square
3 square. So it is x square plus
plus
2 into 3.
6
6x.
6x
6x. 3
plus
square
9
is 9.
plus
9
9
9
Plus 9. So next one is 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 the whole square. Two x plus 1 the whole square. Try.
ma'am finish.
Wait. How can we write this? First one, 2x. So 2x the whole square plus 2ab. So 2 into a is 2x, b is 1 plus 1 square. Understood? It is like a plus b. A plus b the whole square we know. A square plus 2ab plus b square, isn't it? So here, in the place of a, here 2x. Place of b we have 1. So a square means 2x the whole square. B 2ab, 2 into a is 2x, b is 1. And b square is 1 square. So 2x the whole square is what?
4
4.
square
Very good. 4x square plus 2 into 2, 4
4x square
plus
plus
1.
2 into 4
4x plus 1. Next one is 2y plus 3 the whole square. 2y plus 3 the whole square.
Finish.
ma'am finish
Okay. So it will be 2y the whole square plus 2 into 2y into
2y
3
into 3
plus
plus 3 square
3
3
square.
square
Very good. So it is
4y
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 square
square
plus
plus
12y plus 9
12y
12y
plus
plus
9
very
9
good.
plus 9
So I think you understood how to apply a plus b whole square.
yes ma'am
yes ma'am
Very good. Now 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y the whole square. Do it. 2x plus 3y the whole square.
I'm finished.
So it will be, first term will be 2x the whole square plus
Plus
2
2
into
into
2x
2x into
into 3
3y
3y
plus,
plus
whole
3
square.
very good, that is 4x square plus 12xy plus
12xy plus
9y square.
9y.
Okay, next one is x by 2, x by 2 plus 3 by 4y the whole square. In the place of A, it is x by 2. In the place of B, it is 3 by 4y. 3 by 4y. So this is equal to x by 2, x by 2 the whole square plus 2ab term means 2 into x by 2 into 3 by 4y. So 2ab. A is x by 2, b is 3 by 4y plus b square term, that is last term, the whole square. So this is equal to x by 2 the whole square is x square by 4 plus 2 get cancelled, remaining 3xy by 4. 3 into x, 3 into and xy. So 3xy by 4 plus 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 and y square. 3 by 4y the whole square, no. So we have to square this 3, 4 and y. So it is 9 by 16 y square. 9 by 16 y square. 2 by 3m plus 3 by 2n the whole square. 2 by 3m plus 3 by 2n the whole square. Today I will send some homework questions of this type, okay? You have to do. Today itself you have to do, and I will ask you to submit. That time you have to submit.
Hello.